Hello everyone, it's Rich from Cambridge Center Honda here to talk about another Friday Frenzy deal. This time, Friday Frenzy is all about wiper inserts. So on your car, you may have this happening to your wipers. Your wiper inserts may be separating, causing a lot of streaking. This time of year, late February, early March, getting snow, and then it melts and you're gonna get lots of water up on your windshield, lots of streaks happening, especially if this is happening to your car. So buy one replacement wiper insert, get the other one for free. Buy one, get one free. Now that only applies if your vehicle still has the original Honda blades on it. If it does, then we can replace the inserts. If you've taken the original blades off and put aftermarket blades on, then our wiper inserts will not work. But if you still have them on, come on down, buy one, get one free, but coupon code, you have to say Red Wings, okay? When you come down, either to the parts department or to our express service to get these things put on, you have to mention Red Wings or you won't get the buy one, get one free. Why Red Wings? Well, because they're the best team. Never mind all you Montreal and Toronto fans. Forget you. Red Wings is the way to go. So Red Wings is the coupon code. Come on down, Friday Frenzy deal. Buy one, get one free on Honda wiper inserts. Have a good day.